In this video, we are going to revise culture of Madhya Pradesh. Topic is temples in Madhya Pradesh and other tourist places in Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to Tapasya for MP Exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Ujjain, Mahakaleshwar Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlings south facing the Dakshinamukhi Shivalingam, located on banks of Chipra rivers. Nag Chandreshwar temple inside open only in Nag Panchami. Renovated by Ramnoji Sindhu dynasty. Maratha period structure. Kotikund Tirth nearby Parmar period. History in Skand Puran. Avanti Khand. Kal Bhairav temple. Ancient built by King Bhadrasena on Chipra banks. One of the 8 famous Bhairavas in Sep sect. Leko offered as a bhog, important for Kaplik or Aghori sect. Harsiddhi temple, one of the 51 Shaktipeeth elbow of Sati fell here per Shiva Purana. Aradhya Devi of King Vikramaditya myth, goddess killed demons. Chandramukh on Kailash named Harisiddhi by Shiva. Gopal temple, built in 19th century by Bajirao Baizabai Shinde, wife of Daulat Rao Shinde. Example Maratha architectures, Baitul. Muktagiri temples in Bhaisdehi block. Thapoda village, 52 Digambar Jain temples. Saptaphanik, idol of Lord Parshvanath, artistic masterpiece. Siddh Kshetra, 3.5 crore munis attend moksha per Jain text Nirman Konda. Ghat 20. Balajipuram temple depict events from Lord Brahmans. Famous Vaishno Devi temple. Sahasrabhav temples built by Kachapakhat king Mahipal in Gwalior fort. Named after Vishnu 1000 arms. Databandi Chhod Gurudwara. Built in memory of Sikh Guru Hargobind Singh's 12 years imprisonment by Jahangir, released with 52 kings. Marble structure, Telika Mandir. 9th century with oil traders funds under Pratihar King Mihir Bhoj. Distinct Pratihar style. Chaturbhuj temple, Vishnu temple, 9th century. Inscription shows earliest zero symbol. Built by officers under Mihir Bhoj. Ram Raja temples, Odisha, but linked. Palace converted idol brought from Ayodhya by Queen Ganesh Kumari, wife of Madhukar Shah. Only temples where Ram worshipped as a king, Delhi god of honor. Niwadi. Chardwari Hanuman temple, built by Bundela kings Pahad Singh Judev. Believe Hanuman god, Odisha outside city. Lakshmi temple, Odisha, behind Ramraj, built by Veer Singh Dev. Triangular exteriors, square interior, artistic Bundela style. Ashoknagar. Karila Mata temples, birthplace of Lavkush, son of Ram Sita. Annual fair on Rang Panchami, ride dance by Bedni women. Berni women. Khargon, Mahakaleshwar temples 2. In Un village, Parmar architectures and Srivel Mahadev believes Ravan offered 10 heads to Shiva here. Untemple complex, 12 temples by Malwa Parmar king, contemporary to Khajuraho. Ki Mahalakshmi, Baleshwar, Shantinath and Gwaleshwar. Jain Remand site called Pavgiri. Navgura temple on Kundari Bhos, fair on Makar Sankranti. Narvada temple complex, small temples some by Kalchuri kings. Narvada Udgam Kund by Riva kings, main temple by Nagpur Bhosle. Renovated by Ahilyabai Holkar, Parikrama by Gulab Singh Riva Datia. Pitambra Peeth, famous Shaktipeeth, idol of Baglamukhi and Dhamvati by Swamiji Maharaj. One Khandeswar, Mahabharatira Shiva Temple, Sonagiri, Datia. Jain Tirth, more than 100 Digambar temples on hills, active pilgrimage. Balaji Surya Temple, Unnao, historic belief offering kheer to Surya cures incurable disease. Anupur, Sarvodaya Jain temples, 24 tons Ashtadhatu idol of Adinath on 28 ton lotus, built with wood, lime, Rajasthan stone, no iron cement. Sri Yatra temple, four-headed idol, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali, and Bhuvaneshwari. 3D projection of Sri Nyantra, Katni. Vishnu Varaha temple, Karitalai. 10th century Varaha idol, built under Kalchuri and Lakshman Das, Minister Bhatt. Someswar 493 C, copper plate inscriptions. Badera Chaturyug Dham, represent 4 yugas. Satya, first floor, Treta second, Dwapar third, Kali top. Rupnath temple, natural kundas, Shiva caves, Asoka edict, 232 BC state. On Jamdar rivers, Kundadev, Mahadev Mandir, Usha waterfall. Literary Institute by Veer Singh Dev, annual fair. Narsinghpur, Narsingh temple, 18th century, built by Jat Sardar. Vishnu's man lion Bhuptar. Jodheshwar Paramhansi Ganga Ashram. Tripura Sundari temple, also Lodheshwar Hanuman Tekuri, crystal Sivling. Tapobhumi of Sankarachar Saraswati Ji. Barman Ghat on Narvada, Brahma Yajna site. Durgavati temple, Hathi Darwaja, and Varai idol. Narvada flows in 7 streams, annual fair. Tikamgarh, Papora Ji, 80 ancient Jain temples, some under construction, 24 Tirthankar main attractions. Madkera Surya temple, ancient Saint temple. Ahar Ji, Jain centers in Baldevgarh, ancient temples, Shantinath main. Riva, Ghinauchi Dham in Sirmaur, Bardaha Valley, also Piyavan, historic natural religious site. Mahamrityunjay temple, fairs of Vasant Panchami and Shivaratri. Khandwa, Omkareshwar Mandhata, on Narvada island shaped as Om. Omkareshwar Mamaleshwar Amaleshwar, Jyotirling counted as a 1. Ancient name Mandhata. Sites, Govindji cave, Shankaracharya Gurus, Siddharth ruins, Gauri, Somnath, Rinmukteshwar. Damoh, Naleswar temples near Nota, built by Chaluk Kalchuri, Queen Avani Vemra. Kundalpur, Jain Tirth, historic. Padmasana, Adinath idol, Bade Baba. Jageshwarnath temple, Bandakpur, famous Shiva annual fair. Dhoniwale Dadaji, Samadhi of Keswanand. Harihar Nand, Guru Purnima celebrated here. Dhar, Garh Kalika Devi temple on highest hill near Devi Sagar. Established by Panwar dynasty. Dhareshwar temple, historic, built by Paraman King Munj. Mohin Kheda Jain Tirth, key Jain site, 1884, Adinath temple. Mauganj, Devtalaf Shiva temple, single stone, built overnight by Vishwakarma belief. Ashtabhuj Dham, famous as a Mas Darbar, Panna. Nashana Kuthar Parvati temples, 5th-6th centuries Gupta, west facing on platform. Pranathji temples, Pranathji stayed 11 years, Samadhi in Rome. 1692, Hindu-Muslim architectures, Jugal Kishoreji temples, built by Bundela, Hindupat Singh, Krishna with a diamond on chain. Baldev Ji Temple, Roman inspired black Saligram idol. Rath Yatra 200 years traditions by Maharaja Kishore Singh, Mandsaur. Pashupatinath Temple on Shivnari Bose 8 feet Shiva unique compared to Nepal 2011. Chaturbhujnath temples, Bhampura reclining Vishnu 10th century. Dharmarajeshwar temples, Garod 5th to 6th century rock cut like Ellora, Raisan. Chhindwara temples, ancient Hanuman in Bareilly, in Bareilly only. Bhojpur Shiv temple by Parmar Bhoj, Hughes Lingam 7.5 feet. Bhojeshwar East Somnath, India's first Shivling museum plant. Bhutnath temple, largest in Ashapuri group. Srinath Ji Bada Mandir on Nevaz River's tallest spire, 111 feet. Rajgarh, Chaturbhujnath and Raghunath Ji temples, Byabra on Ajnar, 700 and 400 years old. Devas, Puspgiri Tirth Jain initiated by Acharya Pusp Dant Sagar and Tarun Sagar. Nemavar, ancient Jain Hindu temples and ghat on Narmada, Manigir, Gwal Chamunda Devi temples on Vaishni hills with Tulija Bhavani, Badi Choti Mata Devas called Chamunda Nagari, Agar Malwa, Baglamukhi temple, one of the three major Nalkheda on Lasundar, Mahabharatira, by Yudhishthir on Krishna advice, Vaishnath Mahadev on Banaganga, 1528 1536, renovated by Cole Martin, 50 feet spire. Sadapur, Rajarajeshwar Mata temples on Chiller, land by Manoya, Patnams, fund by Tarabai. Parsanath temple Maxi, 1500-year idol changes from every 3 years, 3 hours, worshipped by both Jain sect. Alternatively, Karidi Mata temples as Kankavati, founded by Karma Mahabharat belief. Sihor, Bijasam Devi Temple, Salkanpur declared holy site in 2009. Chintamad Ganesh Temple, Vikramadit era, rebuilt by Pesavajira Moreno. Badeshwar Temple Complex, Shiva Vishnu Shakti and Pratiharira. Kakanmat, Shiva 11th century, Kachapakat under ASI. Chausat Yogini Temples, Mitavali. 1323 CE inscriptions, built by Kachap King Devpal. Astronomy, math, education site. Every chamber has sibling. Indore. Khasrana Ganesh temples built by Ahilyabai Holkar. Gummadgiri, Jain Mahavir Adinath Peshwanath temple, Kanch Mandir. Jain glass construction by Seth Hukumchand. Pitri Parvat tallest 66 feet. Ashtadhatu Hanuman, Nimach. Navdoran temple 11th century in Khor village. Bhadava Mataji temple, Bhadva Mataji temple, Bhel Kuldevi sacred Bawadi Arogya Tirth, Singrauli. Jingurda Hanuman temple in Ensil, Singroda on MPUP border nearby Tippa Jharia picnic spot. Other districts Harda, Charua Gupteshwar, 10th 11th century Shiva. Moran Lipi inscriptions, ancient name Chanarva. Badwani Bavan Gaja, Jain, 84 feet, Adinath on hill. 15th century 11 temples, Moksha by Kumbhakaran Indrajit, Dindori Kukurmat. West facing built overnight legend. Mukteswar Balaghat Rampali. Ram stayed in Banvas, named from Padavali to Rampali. Chindwara Hinglas Mata, one of the two global, other in Pakistan, Balochistan. Pandurna Hanuman Gem Savli. On Gem Sarpa confluence, Hanuman Lok proposed. Satna Bhumra Siv. Gupta Ira Ekmukhi Lingam. Nagrula's inscriptions Siddhi. Chandev Siva near Son Banas ASI Mountain. Satarpur Bageshwar Dham. Balaji known as Bageshwar Dham Sarkar. Jabalpur Vishnu Vara Mazawali. 11th century rebuilt 17th to 18th century is facing Dasavatar pillars Ganga Yamuna Doge. Sadol Virateswar on Banganga by Kalturi Yurasdev. Samse Karnadev. Ratlam Virupaksh Mahadev. Bilang Gurjar style Siddharth Jai Singh inscriptions. Vidisha Nilkanteswar. Udaipur by Parmar Udayadit. Mala Devi temples Gyaraspur. Jain temples Bhor. 25 cabins around central platform. Bir Singh Devi Umaria Pati. Believed as a Kali. Guna Tekari Sarkar Hanuman. Ancient south facing 7th century BC Tababhumi. Revision notes. Key Jyotirlings and Shaktipeeth. 12 Jyotirling in Madhya Pradesh. Mahakaleshwar Ujjain south facing. Nagchandreshwar on Nag Panchami. Omkareshwar plus Mamaleshwar. Counted 1 Narmada Island Om Sip. Ancient name Mandata. Shaktipeeth Harishadhi Ujjain Satyilbo Aradh Devi of King Vikramaditya. Pitambar Peeth Tatiya famous Baglamukhi and Dhumwadi. Unique offering and daddies. Kalbhairav Ujjain liquor offered as a bhog for Kapalik. Aghori sect. Baglamukhi Agar Malba, one of 3 major Mahabharata era by Yudhishthir. Pasupatinath Mandasaur, 8-faced Shiva eunuch. Ram Raja Orcha, Ram worshipped as king. Delhi god of honors. Renovator's patron. Ahilyabai Holkar's Khashrana Ganesh. Narbada complex. Sindhya Ranoji for Mahakaleshwar. Paramar Bhoj, Bhojpur temples. Phase 2 Jain Tirth and architecture style match the Jain sites. Muktagiri 52 temples, 3.5 crore munis attend moksha. Sonagiri Datiya more than 100 Digambar temples. Baban Gaja 84 feet Adinath moksha by Kumbhakaran Indrajit. Kundalpur Bada Baba and Padmasana Adinath. Mohenkheda 1884 Adinath temple. Architectures, style and builders. Parmar Un complex Khajuraho contemporary. Bhojpur Hughes Lingam. Dhareshwar Munde. Pratihar Telika Mandir Mihir Bhoj. Badeshwar complex Gupta. Nachna Parvati 5th to 6th century. Bhumra Siva Satna. Maratha Gopal temple. Baijabai Shinde Harishadhi renovations. Bundela Orcha temples Ram Raja Lakshmi. Panna temples Rath Yatra. Kalchuri Nihaleswar Avani Verma Vishnu Varaha Karitalai. Rock cut Dhanrajeshwar Swansor Ellora like. Unique features zero symbols Satarbuj. Temples Gwalior 9th century inscriptions. Overnight built Kukramat Dindori legend. Devjala Mohanj Vishwakarma belief. Changing idol Maksi Parshanath. Changes from every 3 hours worshipped by both Jain sect. Hindu Muslim architectures and Pranaji temples Panna. Myths, fair and SI sites. Myths and significance. Ravan head. Sirveli Mahadev Khargon. Lavakush birthplace Karila Mata Asoknagar. Asoka stay. Rupnath Dham. Katni 232 BC edict. Shankaracharya link Govindji cave. Omkareshwar and Jyotheshwar Tapobhumi. Kheer caves Balaji Surya temple Datia. Important fairs. Rang Panchami on Karila Mata. Makar Sankranti, Navgraha Temple. Vasant Panchami, Shivratri Mahamartaja Temple. Guru Purnima on Dhoniwala Dadaji Day. Dhoniwala Dadaji. Annual Fair, Jogeshwar Nath and Bandakpur. Kondeshwar Dham and Barman Ghat. ASI protected sites and hotspot. ASI maintained Kakanmat and Chandev Sev. Guptaira ASI, Bhumra Siva. MPPSC hotspot. Omkareshwar Puspatinath, Emo. Dharmarajeshwars and Mohan Kheda, Bhumra. Museum plant, Bhojpur Shiva temples, India's first civilian museum. Quick mnemonics. Jyotirling Hub, Ujjain, Dakshinmukh, Jain Hill, Muktagiri. 52, Songari, more than 100 temples, Bawan Gaja, 84 feet. Narmada site, Omkareshwar, Barman Ghat, Nemawar. Hanuman Lok proposed, Hanuman Jam Savli, Panduna. This is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.